2015 Chevy Trax, changing the valve cover and the gasket. It was leaking, and it was leaking into these spark plug holes. A couple useful things I'm going to do in this video that I didn't find is I'm going to do a really simple picture. You can see the sequence for tightening the bolts down, and I'm going to do the torque specs so that when you bolt your valve cover back down, you get the right sequence and hopefully avoid a leak. There are two notable spots right here where there's a separation and a little bit of silicone in that area right there when you do your new gasket. That's what the Chevy Tech told me. And in this area right here, you want to watch for leaks right here that you may not see. You want to pop that little cover off right there. And when you look inside, you'll see if you're leaking oil down into any of these holes, which can cause your coil pack to fail also. So check out the picture and look at the sequence. I usually start off hand tight and then do a series of 2 to 3 tightenings in like increments until I get to my final torque, and then that should do it. All right, hopefully you liked that video and found it useful. Here's some other interesting specs for fasteners. 2015 Chevy Trax. Take a screenshot of that if you want. So I noticed that the coil bolts, the ignition coil bolts, are 71 inch-pounds, just the same as the valve cover gaskets, which they refer to as the engine front cover bolts M6. 71 inch-pounds. Thermostat housing bolts also, all those same little bolts. And then the valve cover, here you go again.